I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, here's another video of this Keurig B40 brewer. This is the one that I repaired. It had the stuck check valve, but I was able to get it working just fine, and I've been using this thing for the past couple of days, and I must say I really like the thing. Of course, I've seen coworkers and other people use these things for years, and I've always thought about getting one. So, getting this thing was with some minor issues, it was a good opportunity for me to get it repaired and get it back up and running. I discovered another little issue with this thing, and I think it really applies to all the Keurigs that use the My K-Cup. It's an accessory you can buy for at least the older Keurigs. I don't think it's available for the Keurig 2.0s, but the older ones that don't have the freaking DRM stuff built in, you can buy these My K-Cups, and they just have a coffee filter inside where you can just dump in your own ground coffee and brew it yourself without having to buy the K-Cups. Now, of course, I do have K-Cups. Down here I have a French vanilla cappuccino, which I've not tried that one yet. And I got this hot cocoa, which I tried one today, and it was amazing. Of course, both of these are from Aldi. But, so essentially what this thing will do is when you go to brew using the My K-Cup, not only you get water coming out of the spout on the bottom of the My K-Cup, but you also get water coming out in areas where it's not supposed to, making kind of a mess. I think the problem with this is water is just leaking around the top of this thing. When you have grounds inside here, it causes a little bit of back pressure, and it will eventually cause water to spill over the sides. So go on YouTube, use a rubber washer, and supposedly it solved this problem. So I had a pack of O-rings, and happen to have a few of these in it. So I'm going to stick this right on top here, and we're going to do a brew and see what happens. Make sure it's centered, and what's funny is the hole in the center of its O-ring is perfectly sized for this. So if this works, I'm going to actually fasten this O-ring on there with some glue or something. So just gently set this in place. And we'll select large cup. And let's see if it spills over the side this time. You should only see one stream of water this time if it worked properly. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I only got one stream of water this time, and it was actually out of the K-Cup and not around the sides of it, or the My K-Cup. Anyways, I think that fixes our problem. So to fasten it on there, I'll probably use some hot glue or something of that nature. I think hot glue would work okay. Even though this is dealing with heated water, but anyways, I think that does it. So I'm going to open this up, and there's the O-ring. The O-ring solved the problem. Okay, so since I forgot to show the final product, I did just show this thing in action for the first time. It didn't have any problems with water leaking around the top of this thing, but I never did show me actually gluing this in. So what I did here is I just took some black hot glue, and it's high temp hot glue. Make sure you use high temp hot glue, high temperature hot glue. That way it helps resist the heat that this thing, of course, puts out in this hot water. And I just use enough to fasten this O-ring into place. You don't need too much, just enough to hold it in place. And this has worked perfectly. This My K-Cup no longer leaks around the top and around the sides anymore. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Well, everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, Keurig MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.